reception class, here is a video for our final phonics lesson of the week. It's Friday already. Right, for today's lesson, you will need the different sheets that you can see on the board. So you need your sheet with bingo on, your sheet with shh words, and your sheet that says true or false game. So if you want, and you'll need a pencil too. So if you just want to pause me and get those things ready now, please. Right, we are going to warm up our brains for sounds by doing some singing. So if you want to, pause me again and go on YouTube and we are singing What Do the Letters Say? Right, next up reception class, we are going to play a game of bingo. So to play bingo, you just need the sheet that you can see on the screen. And what we are going to do is I am going to say a word and I want you to find it on your sheet. And then when you find it, just put one line through it, either with a pen or a pencil. Right, our first word is vet. Can you find vet for me and put a line through it? Vet is this word here. Vet, 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 vet. So I'm putting a line through it. Next word. Can you find the word jug? Jug. So jug starts with a j. You're looking for a word that starts with j. Jug. Jug is, along the top row, it is this word here, jug, jug. I'm going to put a line through that. Next, can you find for me the word quack, quack? So quack starts with our qu sound that we were practicing yesterday. Can you find quack? Quack is this word here, so I'm going to put a line through that. Quack, quack. Next, can you find for me the word wax, wax? So wax starts with a w. And the word wax is here, wax. Wax. Oh, we've nearly got bingo. We've nearly got all those words along there. Next, can you find for me the word van? Van. And van starts with v. Van is along our top row. Van. I'm putting a line through that. Next, can you find for me jump? Jump. Jump is on your second row. Jump. And next, can you find for me jam? Jam. And jam is here. Jam. So we've got a line across here. We've got all those words so we can shout bingo. Well, today, reception class, we are going to be learning a new sound, and it is another what we call digraph. A digraph is a sound made up of two different letters, but when the two letters are together, they only make one sound. And our digraph for today looks like this. So when this letter is on its own, we've learned it makes the S sound. When this letter is on its own, we've learnt it makes the sound. But when these two letters are together in a word, instead of saying s, we say sh, sh, sh. And our action is we put our finger in front of our lips like we're asking someone to be quiet. Sh, sh, sh. Can you say it to the ceiling? Shh, shh. Say it to the floor. Shh, shh. Whisper it to your little finger. Shh, shh, shh. And say it to the invisible monkey sitting on your shoulder. Shh, shh, shh. Right, reception, if you just have a look at on the screen at the different pictures, have a little think. What can you see that starts with sh, sh, sh? That's right, reception. We have got sheep starts with sh, shark starts with sh, shell starts with sh, shop starts with sh, and shed starts with sh, sh. Right, next up, reception class, I would like you to go on YouTube and watch our favourite giraffe, Geraldine, learning the sh sound. So if you pause me and do that now, please. Right, next up, reception, we're going to have a go at writing our sh sound. To write it, we go like this. Curve down, curve, then pen up, down, up, curve, down, flick. That's curve, down, curve. Then down, up, curve, down, flick. One more time, and you can say it with me. Curve, down, curve, then down, up, curve, down, flick. So if you get your magic paper and your magic pen, practice writing it a few times on your hand. Curve, down, up, curve, down, flick, and rub it up by rubbing your hands together. And one more time. Curve, down, curve, then down, up, curve, down, flick. So if you pause me now and try and practice it at least 5 times on your piece of paper for me, please. Right, next up, we're going to do some blending practice. So for this, you will need your sheet of sh words. Now, they do get harder as your sheet goes on reception, so don't worry if you find the ones at the end really tricky. So just like we have done before, you can draw sound buttons to help you, and then you say the sounds as you press the button. So the first word on our sheet is sh, op, sh, op, sh, op, shop. Next word, if you notice when I do the sh sound, I'm doing a slightly longer button. So my next word is sh, d, sh, d, sh, d makes shed. So if you want to have a go at the rest of those words for me now, please. So just pause me again. It's been a very long phonics lesson today, but our last activity is to play the true or false game. Well, the yes or no game. So what you need to do is read the sentence, and if you think the answer is yes, do a tick. If you think the answer is no, do a cross. So we'll do the first one together. First one starts with our tricky words I, k, a, n, can, p, sh, push, a, jet, up, a, hill. I can push a jet up a hill. I can definitely not push a jet up a hill, so I am going to do a cross. So if you have a go at the rest of those for me now, please. Right, that was a really long phonics lesson today, reception class. So give yourself a pat on the back for working so hard. And a big thumbs up for a fantastic effort. And that's all for our phonics for this week. And I'll see you for our phonics lessons next week. Bye, reception class.